Hi everyone, it's Stuart from Pidcock BMW Motorrad. I just wanted to introduce you to the S1000 XRTE, but this one in particular because we've been getting asked about it a lot with the Sport Pack. So T specification is normal, so it still comes with you things like keyless start, keyless fuel, riding mode pro, heated grips, cruise control and TFT display. But what Sport Pack adds to it, which makes it look like this, is the M Sport colours, the Akrapovic titanium cam, the tinted sport screen. You can order a taller screen on this bike because again that's something else that I get asked a lot. So yes, you can order it even if you have the Sport Pack. So you just opt off for that. And one of the new things you'll be able to do is the endurance chain, which basically allows you to have sort of having to do less adjustment, cleaning and general maintenance. Still needs to be done, just not as often. So absolutely fantastic looking bike. We are lucky to have one of these in the moment. This one's actually a customer order, but we have got other customers' orders coming through as well. So if you do want one of these, give us a call on 0115 946 2233 and we'll happily discuss a deal with you. All right, everyone, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.